Hey Shoebox, what do you think we should do today? Stop making YouTube videos. He's right.
Hey.
Yeah. Time to mud up. It's not what people say. No one says that except for me. I just did, so I am a trendsetter. No. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe to the channel. I don't understand why people would, but they do. And that's cool, I guess. Hello, pals. Today we're gonna take a closer look at the Air Max 90 inspired colorway in this. It's an SB Dunk Low Pro in the laser blue colorway. Lately, the Nike SB department has been no stranger to taking colorways inspired by other models, like pairs from the ACG collection. There's an Air Trainer 1 colorway coming out very soon, and they've done a couple based on Air Max 90 colorways to commemorate the, 25th year, right? 30th, wow, I'm good at math. 30th year of the Air Max 90 being around, and this shoe is inspired by one of the OG colorways, the laser blue Air Max 90. So let's take a closer look at these and then we'll talk about them. Shoe's pretty good. It's mostly leather. You got leather on the mud guard, on the side panel. This counter here is all black leather. I know it might look suede in the video, but it's not. And the heel tab thingy is leather as well. You got a canvas mesh vamp and ankle collar and liner. Well, the liner's a little bit different, but there's also mesh on the tongue. The materials are very, very much taken from the Air Max 90 release. My favorite part of the materials is the suede swoosh, and it's really like kind of pretty good suede. It's not like the greatest in the world, but I think it's a really nice touch, and I kind of wish more of the shoe was suede. The colorway, as you can tell, is mostly white. The secondary laces are black, which is, you know, cool, I guess. You do have a lot of laser blue hints on here, but just not in like overly prominent areas. Like the outsole is laser blue. There's laser blue liner on the tongue and on the tongue tag. The insole is laser blue, and there's a little hint of laser blue on the back with the black Nike branding. The official colorway listed on the box for this shoe is white, neutral gray, black. So it's a good thing the shoe is called laser blue, because otherwise you wouldn't know just by looking at the box. The box price on these is just like every other SB Dunk Low that's not a collaboration or a special box release. It is $100. I actually got these through the CCS Plus raffle. I just have had insane luck with them lately, and I don't know why. There's no hacks to it. I just enter my info and press enter. So I don't know what to tell you. Just like every other release lately, these were delayed by a couple months due to supply chain issues and also delivery stuff. They released, a lot of places were able to release them in November, which I don't know if that was intentional because the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90 was 2020 and it's 2021 and we got Air Max 90 shoe coming out, which is cool, I guess. Current resale on these is not terrible, but it's also not great given the fact that it was a $100 shoe. I do know between like sizes 8 and 13, they go anywhere from like 180 upwards to like, I think a size 13 on GOAT right now is like 230, something like that. So it's just like every other SB Dunk Low, bigger sizes, there just seem to be more demand for them, so the resale prices are a little bit higher. My personal feelings on the shoe, I mean, it's a cool concept. I just don't aesthetically like them. I think there's way too much white on them. I'm just not a fan of overly white shoes because I do wear a lot of blue jeans, and blue jeans and white shoes just scream out like weird dads that are overly obsessed with their lawn or their driveway or whatever. The biggest thing I would change about this shoe, I mean, there's two things. Number one, put more laser blue on it because blue is probably my favorite color on any shoe. I wish there would be some laser blue like on the mudguard or maybe on the maybe just more blue all around. I mean, I wish the secondary laces were blue. That might make me like these a little bit more, but it is a shoe that's taking hits from an OG colorway of the Air Max 90. And as far as that goes, it's pretty much spot on. So you can't really complain about that. I do know a lot of people like this shoe. I just personally don't. It's just too bright for me. I just like a little more contrast in my sneakers. So there you go, pretty good shoe if you like this kind of stuff. There's some things I would have changed about it personally. Let me know in the comments below if you got a pair of these or what you think, or just say hi, because I'll probably say hi back. So just a reminder, I am out of the country right now, so this is being recorded like December, what is today's date? The 20th? Yeah, December 20th. So prices on these may have changed between now and then. So hey, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll be back with something else, probably. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.